Hi guys, this is Phil from bemreview.com, and in this video today we're going to check out my Thumbnail Blaster how to add a YouTube account and agency link feature video. So custom thumbnails are important if you're making YouTube videos, so they're the first thing that a visitor will see. And attractive thumbnails attract the click for the visitor to watch the video. So it doesn't matter how good your video, if it doesn't get clicked, you won't get the traffic the product deserves. And if you're looking for traffic and increased views to your video, this is important to recognize, as they reckon you get over 370% increase in your video views with a good thumbnail. And custom thumbnails increase views, that also in turn then increases the rankings of your video. So creating good converting thumbnails is important if you're promoting your own products on YouTube, but also creating YouTube thumbnails is a good skill for you to acquire if you're looking for easy ways to make money online, because there's online marketplaces where you can sell custom thumbnails as a service, and you can get a couple of dollars each for these, $5 or $10 at a time, for places like Fiverr and Conquer and Legit. And this can quickly add up, especially if you know how to create these thumbnails on YouTube quite quickly, and using some software like Thumbnail Blaster, you can create these in just a matter of minutes each time. And in a moment, I'm also going to show you how you can get your videos showing up at the top of Google and YouTube to get all the free traffic that you want for your own products and services, or even if you want to sell this to a service to business owners to get their products and services showing up at the top of Google and YouTube. So you can see here now we're in Thumbnail Blaster dashboard, and you can see here I've got a couple of accounts already included. The standard version only allows you to add one YouTube channel, and then the Pro version allows you to add multiple YouTube accounts. When you want to add a YouTube account, so to actually work with the channel, you need to add them into the dashboard, and then when they're in the channel, you can use all the features of the software on those channels' videos. So when you want to add a YouTube account, which is what you do in the first instance, or when you add more than channels with the Pro option, you just click on the Add YouTube account. And what that brings up, it brings up the normal Google authentication you may be used to seeing if you add other apps to your Google account. So it shows you it's a valid signed application, so it recognizes it as Thumbnail Blast, and then it shows you then user account, and then you just select that one and it'll authenticate it through, or you can add another account if this isn't the account you signed in you're going to be using. So it's quite easy to add an account, and you can do that quite quickly. But obviously if you're doing a lot of client work, trying to ask a client for their username and password, you're not going to get a lot of success with that. So the agency feature is quite neat, and what that gives you is this option here, get the agency link, and all you need to do then with this is you just click it, and it gives you this unique code, and then what you do then, you just copy and paste that code and you send it to your client, and then when they click on it, it brings up the same dialog as they see here, and it'll ask them to authenticate, and then when they authenticate through, they'll have authenticated the Thumbnail Blaster with that code, and then their channel will appear here. So that's a really neat feature, and I quite like that. So it's only a small upgrade, but that's really valuable feature, and then you get some other features thrown in. Okay guys, I'll leave a link below. It's a really good piece of software, and it's on really good discount at the moment. So if you think there's something you could use in your business, check it out. And I'm also going to link to a great bonus that my mentors allowed me to be able to share with you. So Paul Murphy's really well respected UK Google and YouTube marketing expert. He's allowed me to share one of his key products with you. If you pick up a Thumbnail Blaster, so this is a 997 product, really high quality YouTube and Google ranking training, and you can get that for just $1 if you pick up Thumbnail Blaster today. So thank you guys, check it out, and I'll see you soon on the channel.